Another EcoBoost vid. You guys are probably sick of these. But you know me, I like to put all my cool findings and posts and that online. So I just got finished putting the camp phaser on the red F-150 EcoBoost over here. And so far so good. Everything's been great. I've driven the truck over 100 miles so far and no problems. Everything's been great. No leaks, no abnormal noises, nothing, just perfect smoothness. So this truck was a win. It was a fix. But I wanted to show you what's going on with my friend's F-150 here. This is a 2011 with 153,000 on the clock. You accelerated and
I came off one road getting on the interstate and punched it to beat out some traffic, and it just bogged down and the engine light flashed.
You felt like you were driving the 5.4 again.
Yep, like the coil were going out.
Well, here's what I found. So here's what a new spark plug should look like. Here's your old ones. See that carbon tracing?
Yeah.
The spark is actually escaping through the ceramic and grounding. You can also take a look at the gap, and you see that the gap is different on the new versus the old.
Oh yeah, quite a bit different.
So I'm going to go ahead and throw new spark plugs in it. Fortunately, it's super easy to get to. It only takes like 15-20 minutes to do all of them. Not like that 5.4. What they want to charge you to do all the plugs in your 5.4?
$100 a plug plus $100 for every one that they broke.
So you were looking at $1,600.
Yep.
I'm glad these only take 20 minutes. Alright, let's put these in and see what happens. Alright, all 6 spark plugs replaced. Only took me like 15 minutes. Super quick and easy job. Put everything all back together, started up, it runs great. I thought there might have been a code set, but there was no check engine light,